Namaste and hello everyone. I am Barsa Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. Welcome back to Learn Nepali with Barsa. Today, I am going to teach you very interesting lesson and it is the most awaited video in our channel. That is Opposite Word Part 2. We know that you have been waiting for this video since a long time. Before moving ahead, if you are new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe it, and if you want to support us, please do visit our Patreon page. Now, without any delay, let's jump into our lesson, opposite word, विपरीतार्थी शब्दहरू, or in common language you can also say उल्टो अर्थ दिने शब्दहरू. Let's learn some opposite words. उल्टो शब्दहरू, or in formal language, विपरीतार्थी शब्दहरू. The first pair is heavy and light. गरुङ्गो, 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 भारी, भारी, भारी. हलुका, हलुका, हलुका. Moving on to the next, many and few. धेरै, धेरै, धेरै. थोरै, थोरै, थोरै. Dry and wet. सुक्खा, सुक्खा, सुक्खा. भिजेको, भिजेको, भिजेको. सुक्खा, भिजेको. Fast and slow. छिटो, छिटो, छिटो. बिस्तारै, बिस्तारै, बिस्तारै. or सुस्ता, सुस्ता, सुस्ता. Now thick and thin. बाक्लो, बाक्लो, बाक्लो. पातलो, पातलो, पातलो. बाक्लो, पातलो. Bright and dark. उज्यालो, उज्यालो. अँध्यारो, अँध्यारो, अँध्यारो. उज्यालो, अँध्यारो. Clever and dumb. बाठो, बाठो, बाठो. लाटो, लाटो, लाटो. बाठो, लाटो. Lato also means deaf. Moving on to the next, let's learn sweet and bitter. गुलियो, 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 गुलियो. तितो, तितो, तितो. Please remember, this T is the dental one. Tito. गुलियो, तितो. Start and end. सुरु, सुरु, सुरु. अन्त्य, अन्त्य, अन्त्य. सुरु, अन्त्य. Next one is win and defeat. जीत, जीत, जीत. For verb you can use जित्नु, जित्नु, जित्नु. हार, हार, हार. As a verb you can use हार्नु, हार्नु, हार्नु. जीत, हार or जित्नु, हार्नु. Even and odd. जोड, जोड, जोड. बिजोड, बिजोड, बिजोड. जोड, बिजोड. Alive and dead. जिउँदो, जिउँदो, जिउँदो मरेको 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 empty full खाली 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 भरिएको 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 खाली भरिएको life and death जीवन 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 मृत्यु 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 जीवन मृत्यु Next one is city and village. Sahar, 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 Gaon, 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 Sahar, Gaon. Smooth and rough. This word is also used for oily. Chillo, 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 Khasro, 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 Chillo, Khasro. Next one is east and west. Purva, 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 Paschim, 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 Purva, Paschim. Similarly, let's learn how to say north and south. Uttar, 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 Dachin, 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 Uttar, Dachin. I have already made a video on the direction. If you have not watched it yet, please check it out. The link is given in the description box. Now moving forward. Question and answer. Prasna, 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 Jawab, 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 or Uttar, 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 the same as direction north. North is also Uttar, whereas Uttar also means answer. Now the next one is healthy and sick. Sostha, 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 Birami, 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 or Rogi, 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 Sostha, Birami, or Rogi. Normally, if a person is suffering from a chronic disease for a long time, those people are called rogi. But for the minor diseases like having a fever or common cold, we just say them birami. The next one is fresh and stale. This pair of words will be very useful while buying vegetable, fruits or any food items. Taza, 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 basi, 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 taza, basi. The next pair is true and false. Thick, 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 betik, 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 thick, betik. The next pair is right and wrong. Sahi, 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 galat, 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 sahi, galat. Normally, young people might say to you, sahi ho, when they agree with you. So don't get confused at that time. Sahi ho means I agree with you. The next pair is together and apart. Sangai, 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 chuttai, 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 sangai, chuttai, sangai, chuttai. Now let's learn how to say good and bad in Nepali. Ramro, 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 naramro, 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 ramro, naramro. Now this pair of words is very useful for those who do business. Profit and loss. Nafa, 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 noksan, 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 or ghata, 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 nafa, noksan, or ghata. The next pair is native and foreigner. Sodesi, 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 bidesi, bidesi, bidesi. Remember, foreign countries are called bidesh, whereas foreigners are called bidesi. Sodesi, bidesi. This was all on today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to support us, please do visit our Patreon page. And yes, if you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe our channel and click the like button. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you. Namaste.